Let's put our living stereo stylus in this groove.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of the BTS Vault. I'm here today with Anton and his beautiful RWB Porsche. We are shooting today for REC or Rec Watches. They have a beautiful RWB Stella watch that is designed from Nakai-san, basically himself. It has parts in there from cars that he's worked on. He has a piece of metal right in there that's designed right into the watch. It's very, very cool. So we're going to be incorporating that watch today with Anton's Porsche. So why don't you give us a little rundown about everything working with Nakai and all that.
Hey guys, and thank you for coming down to shoot. This is really, really awesome and a fantastic opportunity. This car started as a 1990 Carrera 4, and of course, Nakai did some magic to it, so it no longer looks like that Carrera 4, but just an amazing RWB now, and that's something I've always wanted, I always dreamt of. It's a full rotisserie style restoration, meaning the car got completely taken apart before Nakai arrived. We painted full tub, interior, completely done, all new carpeting, all new seats, engine is completely rebuilt. And when I ordered the kit from Nakai, it took about 6 to 9 months worth of wait time, and that gave us enough time to prep the car for his arrival. Watching him work on the car and kind of, do what he does just by eye, and I couldn't have expected a better result. The whole experience to me was absolutely amazing, and that's what being a part of the RWB family is all about.
Yeah, it's crazy. I filmed an RWB documentary in Dallas about 2.5 years ago, and a lot of the comments on them are basically saying it's crazy that Nakai eyeballs everything. But I mean, once you see the finished product, it's pretty legit. It's like there's no mistakes, if any. How do you feel?
I mean, I have yet to find one, honestly. I loved it. I haven't touched the car since he took his hands off the car. I just really, really and truly enjoy the car and spending time with it.
Awesome. So we're gonna get the day started right now. We're gonna start with a bunch of rolling shot sequences and go from there. So we are waiting for Anton right now to come meet us at this spot because we did a nice split away seam. So as we're waiting for him to come here, I'm setting up some suction cups right now so we can attach them to the hood, to the side, to the rear of the car, so we can get a few more dynamic shots rather than just rolling shots, so we can interject those into the main rolling shot sequence. So we got a few right here, and we're gonna do a tri-mount suction cup formation, I guess you would say, so we can get the least amount of shake possible.
But it's like a support bar.
Exactly.
Stabilizing.
Yeah, because you'll see here it's a little shaky, so you add another 2 of these, it's pretty rock solid. Out of here, and you can go down basically until the first loop, and then loop around. Yeah. So it's really getting like part of the top of your hand and like from like your top of your lips to like here, because it's also getting the roll outside of here. So it's not like your entire face, but just regular cruising stuff. So you can move your hands on the wheel, that kind of stuff.
Hey Sam, thinking in the wild. Should I post it here? Or should I put it over there? Maybe this side.
Yeah, let's do it.
This is what you really pay Sam to do right here. The big bucks to quick wax your car.
Quick detail spread.
Yeah.
Quick wax.
It's actually Windex.
So what we got here is called the Rig Wheels Cloud Mount. So you see we got cables attached here, which helps to take out any micro jitters when the car's moving along. See, it moves around here. So the gimbal will do a good portion of the work, but the extra micro jitters get taken out from this. So we're gonna put this on the hood of the minivan so we can get some nice rear shots of Anton's Porsche, and helps give a few different angles. with a G Master 24-70, the Tilta Nucleus M, and a Genius Tech variable ND/polarizer. Normally we would run wireless into the Atomos, but today we're running just an HDMI since it's really more so crunch for time, so we're doing a more quick and efficient method. And because I haven't been able to set the wireless on here yet to hold it properly, we're just doing a quick HDMI jerry rig. So we just got to Maspeth, Queens to shoot details of Anton's RWB because he's got a lot of, obviously, first of all, the color is gorgeous. It's Miami blue color, and he's got everything, obviously the whole kit done to it, the full interior is done. So we want to make sure we capture that on video so we can really portray the build nicely. So right here in Queens at this little spot under a bridge, we kind of put the car on a pedestal here, so to speak, overlooking this bridge area. And we're gonna finish up details in a little bit, and then we're gonna head to his buddy's apartment down in Long Island City so we can film his intro scene there, incorporate the watch a little bit more, and that's basically gonna be his introductory scene. From there, we're gonna head to back to Brooklyn, and we're gonna finish off his video there with the skyline in the background at sunset, or hopefully what should be a good sunset. So. On the ground. You told me to do this shot, it looks sick.
Compression.
That's right. this is essentially going to be his intro scene to the video,
Okay,
and all the other footage we shot before we got here.
All right, awesome. So, I mean, just let me know if you need me to move anything or whatever. I'm easy.
Awesome. So,
I didn't even know this view was this crazy.
yeah.
They always post stuff up, and I'm like,
Always hammer.
Alright, so what you're going to do in that position, you're going to take a step back, like completely your whole body. Yep. And you're going to come into the frame, and you're going to go into that basically the exact same spot. So go ahead and walk in with the cup in hand. Go ahead. Nice. Awesome. And go ahead and just take a sip right there. And bring it back down. Now hold that right there. Go ahead and take one more sip, Anton. Good. Again, look out. And go ahead and take a sip. And go ahead and look out. And check the watch. I'm gonna push in like this. You're gonna walk across me this way, and then go into the driver's seat, and then just turn it on. And the first thing you'll do, turn on the headlights because they'll flare into the lens, which will look really nice.
okay.
3, 2, 1. Go ahead, start walking.